Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. As you all know, my name is Haseeb Shahid and I am the student of Mechatronics Engineering at University Islamabad. So in today's video, we will be going to discuss what would be inside CPU. As you all know, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So CPU comprises of multiple small units that combine together in order to complete the operation that was being performed by CPU. So the components include PC, program counter, instruction decoder, ALU, arithmetic and logical units, and the registers. Registers belongs to the memory as it can as it was able to store data. Arithmetic and logical unit is an area where the calculations are being performed. Instruction decoder is an area where the instructions are being decoded, and PC is the program counter which counts the program and tells where our program really resides. So how computer works? This is the simplest example through which we can discuss how computer really works. As you can see that our computer comprises of address bus, data bus, control bus, which resides inside the CPU. It also includes arithmetic units, ALU, program counter, instruction decoder, and a register which has A, B, C, and D variables. So at the top right corner, this is the simplest algorithm through which we can easily discuss and we can easily understand how our computer really works. So let's start. At the initial stages, our program counter counts at 0. At 0 position, there is a no instruction that was being added at an algorithm. So at 0 position, the program counter at 0 position loads the data that was being present at the 0 position, which is 31 in hex. So when the address of 0 has been assigned and to the address bus, this 0 address relates to the number 31 hex. So by the help of control bus, which inputs or outputs data, input the value that was being present at the 0th position at the instruction decoder. So that 31 was being loaded at the instruction decoder. Now when the program counter counts at the position 1, which corresponds to the instruction which says that the data that was being present at the 17th position has been loaded at the A. A is the variable of the register, or you can say that this is the position of the A is the initial position of the register. So the address bus carries the address of 17th, and let's suppose at 17th position our memory carries the number 9. So the number 9 as the control bus inputs number 9, so that the 9 has been by the help of data bus has been loaded in the memory and stored at the position A. Now as you can see that at the first, when the program counter reaches the first position, it also corresponds to the C4 hex. So C4 has been loaded in the at the first position. When the first address is being assigned, the C4 hex has been loaded in the instruction decoder. Now at the second statement, which represents that the variable B stores the value of A. So at when the program counter reaches 1, so at that position the value of A has been transferred to the value of B. So both A and B carries 9. When the program counter reaches 2, 26 has been loaded in the memory, and when the program counter reaches at the third position, which says that the value that was being present at the 6th position has been stored in A. So when the address of 6 has been assigned, which carries the value of 5 hex, so that 5 has been loaded at the 8th position. Now, when the program counter reaches the third, so that the third position 81 has been loaded at the instruction decoder position. When the program counter reaches at the fourth position, which performs the ALU operation between A plus B and stores the value at the position A, which is A plus B by 9 plus 5 equals to 14, which, and the 14 represents E. So that E has been placed at the 8th position. Now, when the address of 4 has been assigned, that EA has been loaded in the memory as an instruction decoder position, and the address of 5 has been designed so that at, at the value present at the 7th position has been sent to the 8th position. So, in this way, I can see that how our computer really works, and this is the simplest algorithm through which we can explain the working principle of our computers and how it really works. So, guys, that is all for today's video. If you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.